Good morning everyone. Today I am going to start this video from question number 5th of exercise 8.3. So question number 5th is I buy a TV for rupees 10,000 and sells it at a profit of 20%. How much money do I get for it? So students, it is given in the question that cost price of TV is rupees 10,000 and profit percent is 20%. We have to find out selling price of television. So when profit percent is given, then we apply formula SP is equal to 1 plus profit percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. Now we are going to put all the values in this formula. So in place of profit percent we are going to put here 20 and in place of CP we are going to put here 10,000. Now solve this question and we have answer 12,000. It is the selling price of television. Move to the next question. Next question is Juhi sells a washing machine for rupees 13,500. She lost 20% in the bargaining. What was the price at which she bought it? So students, it is given in the question that selling price of is rupees 13,500 and loss percent is 20%. Now in this question we have to find out cost price of the article. So when loss percent is given, we apply formula SP is equal to 1 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. In the next step, we put all the values from the question. After solving this, we have answer 16,875. Move to the next question. Next question is chalk contains calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10:3:12. Find the percentage of carbon in the chalk, and in the second part we have to find out if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So it is given in the question that ratio of calcium, carbon and oxygen is 10:3:12. So first we are going to find out sum of ratio. For this we have to add all the ratios. So we have 10 plus 3 plus 12 is 25. For find out the percentage of carbon in the chalk stick, we divide parts of carbon by sum of ratio and multiply it by 100. So we have answer 12%. In the next part, it is given in the question that if chalk contains 3 gram of carbon, then what is the weight of the chalk stick? So for this we have to assume that weight of the chalk stick is x gram. Now we have to find out the value of 12% of x because carbon is 12%. So 12% of total weight of the chalk is equal to 3 gram. It is already given in the question that chalk contains 3 gram of carbon. Now solve this question and we have answer 25 gram. Next question is Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? So students, it is given in the question that cost price of book is rupees 275 and loss percent is 15% and selling price, we have to find out the selling price. So when loss percent is given, we apply formula SP is equal to 1 minus loss percent upon 100 multiplied by CP. After substituting all the values from the question, we have 1 minus 15 upon 100 multiplied by 275. It is cost price of book. After solving this, we have answer 233 rupees 75 paise. Before start next question, we will discuss about simple interest and amount. So simple interest is calculated with the help of this formula. Simple interest is equal to principal multiply by rate multiply by time period divided by 100, and amount is calculated by with the help of this formula, simple interest plus principal is equal to amount. Now we are going to start question number 9, and ninth question is, Amina, find the amount to be paid at the end of 3 years in each case. Case 1, principal is 1200 at 12% per annum. So it is given in the question that principal is rupees 1200, rate is 12% and time period is 3 years. For calculating amount, first we have to find out simple interest. After that, we will calculate amount from it. So simple interest is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. After substituting all the values, we have answer 432. It is the value of simple interest, but it is asked in the question that what is the amount to be paid after 3 years. To calculate amount, we have to add both the simple interest and principal. After adding both the quantities, we have rupees 1632. In this way, you can solve its second part. Now, move to the next question, and next question is, what rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? So students, it is given in the question that simple interest is rupees 280, principal is rupees 56,000 and time period is 2 years, and we have to find out rate. So here we are going to apply formula of simple interest. It is P multiplied by R multiplied by T upon 100. After substituting all the values and after calculating it, we have answer 1 upon 4%, and we can write it 0.25%. In this way, you can solve its next question.